You can play Among Us on PC by following different methods. So the first one is you have to like buy the PC version of Among Us. For that you can go to Steam and buy Among Us from there. But don't worry, I'm going to explain to you guys an option to play it free as well. So in Steam currently its price is like $3, and you can also buy it from the Microsoft Store where it is priced $5. But you can also, like, if you have the Game Pass of Microsoft for PC, then you can like get it free as well if you own the Game Pass. And by the way, Game Pass is like very cheap. So these are the way you can play Among Us on PC. But if you want to play it for free, then you have to play the Android version. The Android version and the PC version is exactly same. For playing Android version on Windows, you have to like download a third-party Android emulator like BlueStacks or LD Player, etc. So you can download any one, and from there you will find the like Play Store inside the LD Player or inside the BlueStacks, and you have to like download it from there and like play the Among Us game. So I'm going to make a tutorial on that too, how to install BlueStacks and how to play Among Us on BlueStack in computer. So that's all for today. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.